Now let's see how to route dynamically. For example, let's say we don't want to bother with manager approval for POs less than $250. Open the Properties panel for the Manager step and click the Precondition tab. Turn on the Precondition Builder if necessary. Click the Edit button and click Add Condition. Choose Grand Total from the field, is equal or more than from the operator, and enter a literal value of 250. You can add multiple conditions and customize the logic expression if necessary. You can also enter a user-friendly description if desired. Click Submit to save changes. Now, the workflow will skip the manager step unless the grand total exceeds $250. Let's also add an escalation. Bring up the Properties panel once again and click on the Escalations tab. Click Add Escalation and then set the condition to require that the manager performs the current step within 2 days. Check the Business Calendar checkbox to count only business days. On the Action tab, you can reassign the step to someone else or skip it altogether. In this case, we won't reassign the step. Instead, we'll simply send a notification reminder to the current owner. You can customize the subject and message body of the notification email. You can also use templates and make the email dynamic. You can add as many escalations as you wish. Save your changes. Notice that the Properties pane at left shows you that there's a configured escalation. In fact, the pane gives you a quick snapshot of several configured properties. Let's try it out. Create a PO where the grand total is below $250. See how the manager step gets skipped and the PO routes straight to finance. In contrast, if the amount exceeds $250, the PO goes to the manager for approval. Save the workflow and go to your task list. Click Search and select our purchase order approval workflow. You can filter by various criteria if desired. Click Submit to view the list of POs. Click to view the audit trail. See that one of them is waiting for finance, another one is waiting for manager approval, etc. You can view the history of every single PO. Coupled with the email notifications that we set up, it's easy for the requester to view the status of their PO at any time.